So it's Damien from Marketing Food Online. So in this video, I'm super excited to show you the idea of becoming a merchant on an affiliate marketing website. This is not you becoming an affiliate. This is you offering your product and having nearly 200,000 affiliate marketers have access to your product online to help you promote it and sell it by them creating blogs, YouTube videos, and everything in between. And I'm gonna show you how this works and how this could be a game changer for your food business if you've never heard of this. And I'm gonna explain step by step how it works. And we're gonna get into that right now. All right, so as I mentioned in the introduction, this is actually going to be a great idea for those of you who are just starting online and you're not too sure about how to promote your product. Should you run Facebook ads? Should you be on Instagram? Should you be on every social platform trying left and right to figure out a way to get attention to your product? So this is a company called ShareASale.com. There are two sides to this company. There is the side where the merchant, which would be you, and why this video is showing to you right now, exactly what you could do as a merchant to get affiliate marketers to promote your product, or you could become an affiliate obviously and do affiliate marketing. Now this video is not going to be about affiliate marketing at all, although I will show you in another video how you can leverage affiliate marketing for your food business and actually make another stream of income literally with food products and food services. But in this video, I want to explain to you how you could sign up on ShareASale and actually use ShareASale's affiliate marketers to help promote and get exposure for your food product. So if you sell protein bars, if you sell hot sauce, if you sell donuts, it doesn't matter what it is you sell. But the idea is super simple. You sign up, you allow yourself to take applications from affiliate marketers who are interested in your product. You establish a percentage of commission that you want to pay them, and then you let them do the work. That's in essence what it works out to. Now, Damien, why in the world would I want to use ShareASale, and does it cost any money to sign up? What I've got here in front of me is my laptop, and I'm gonna go on here and I'm gonna grab all of those data and statistics, and I'm gonna show you how it works, the numbers that are involved, and how you can get signed up immediately and get the ball rolling with your own merchant account on affiliate marketing ShareASale website. So before we do that, as always, welcome to Marketing Food Online. My name is Damien Roberti. And of course, if you have seen my videos, I'm the founder of Marketing Food Online. I'm an e-commerce entrepreneur. I've been online for over 12 years. My wife and I created our businesses. We have multiple businesses online and we built them to 6 figures on every platform. And we've been doing this for a very long time. So I bring you the YouTube video, I bring you these channel videos to help you understand the world of e-commerce, but more specifically, how to sell food online and actually make a living doing it, and making a very good living doing it. All right, so we've got the laptop open. Now this is the website here, and I'll be looking back and forth on the camera here to explain to you exactly how this works. So ShareASale is an affiliate marketing company. And what that does is it allows you to do either affiliate marketing on your own, where you can promote products and services. You mention them in a blog, you create a YouTube channel, you promote those products, then you get paid to do that. But you as a merchant, you can actually sign up to sell your food products. And then you get, like I said, a lot of people basically available to sell the products for you. A lot of people would be 225,000 plus that would be open for the idea. Now, there's a few ways and a few steps that this works. Number one, you need to sign up for a merchant account, not an affiliate account. And I'll have actually a link directly to ShareASale down below this video in the description section. So you simply click on that, it'll take you to this directly on this page that I'm looking at here, and that'll allow you to sign up. Now, there is a fee as a merchant to sign up, but it's trivial, and I'll explain exactly what I mean by that. If you go to merchant and you hit on pricing, I'm gonna scroll down here and I'm gonna show you how this works. Now keep in mind, if you've got, let's say 225,000 potential affiliates, there's a good likelihood not all of them will be available for or interested in the product that you sell. But let's just say you had 10,000 of them, okay? That's a very small percentage that were available for promoting your product and interested in promoting your product too. So number one, you sign up, and here's the fee online. Now before you click stop on the video because you see that it's $550 to sign up, let me explain exactly how this works. So you go in and create your account. Your initial setup fee is $550, okay? And then you add a $100 deposit for the actual payment for those percentages that you're gonna pay your affiliate just to get started with, okay? So the total is $650 for you to sign up. But think of it this way. You create an account on here, and you have, let's say, a couple of thousand affiliates who sign up and they send the request saying, hey, Damien, I want to promote your protein bar, or hey, Damien, I want to promote your hot sauce. You accept their application, and then they take the creatives, as it's called, and the affiliate links, which will be set up through your application process. And then they'll take that and push that out on their social media platforms. If you happen to be doing protein bars, let's say, for instance, and there is someone who's interested in promoting that, and they have a lifestyle blog that's got 1 million people, $650 to have access just to one affiliate who has maybe 1 million subscribers or 1 million followers, or even 1 million people who are part of their newsletter, whatever that may be, the odds of you selling a lot of your protein bars is very much increased, let's say, over the long run. So as you do that, and this is just with one affiliate, if you get more and more additional affiliates, you're going to be spreading your product out in areas you would have never been able to reach, okay? Now, Damien, how do you set a payment? How much is it that you have to pay? Well, that's up to you. You establish a percentage. And normally, let's just say here, they've got, when you go on the link down below, it'll take you to this page as I mentioned. This is going to be a payment calculator. So if your average order size is, let's say, $25, and you give the affiliate, you're going to set up a percentage of commission you want to pay. And you're going to give them 5% of $25. So they're going to get $1.25 on just one single transaction. Now you might be thinking, well, that's not very much an incentive. Well, you have to understand something. Affiliate marketers are in multiple places. If this person writes a blog about your protein bar and you get a ton of orders because of the links they put in that actual blog post, that's going to be just one single place. Then they're going to go to YouTube and they're going to talk about some lifestyle thing. They're going to plug your protein bar again. You could potentially have 1 million people looking at a video on YouTube that you have access to, that you're going to sell even more protein bars. So you see where I'm going with this? It compiles, and it becomes more and more additional sales from a lot of different revenue sources, okay? So one potential affiliate could have 20 different sources of places, from a blog to a YouTube channel to videos to even a podcast promoting your protein bar. And again, that's an example. So if you're selling cookies or baked goods, it doesn't matter. You can sell anything. If you sell teas, if you sell spices, there are companies on ShareASale that sell spices left and right. They pay a small percentage. Some of them pay 10% of the overall actual amount that's charged to the order. So if the order is $20, they charge 10%. They give $2 to the affiliate. And of course, the transaction fee, that's the merchant fee that ShareASale will take. So the total amount is $1.50 you pay for $25 transaction, okay? So this is an opportunity for you to not have to pull your hair out trying to think, I don't know how to run Facebook ads, or I'm not really good at social media. That's okay. You don't have to be an absolute genius at everything that you do online when you start your e-commerce business. Focus on doing the business. Focus on creating your product and filling your orders. Let other people promote it for you, and that's what affiliate marketers will do when you sign up as a merchant to allow them to promote your product, okay? So, scroll back up here, and again, it's $550 to sign up as a merchant. And remember, this is an investment in the long run for as many affiliate marketers as you can find. And the more that you get, you'd be shocked at the amount of product that you can sell. And let me explain to you why. 2020 and last year alone, $14 billion. Their affiliates on ShareASale generated $14 billion for the actual merchants. That is a pretty staggering amount, okay? $182 million were generated in 2020 in just sales. So the idea that you can use these existing affiliate marketers to promote your product is genius. And it doesn't have so much responsibility to fall on your shoulders to figure out how to promote your product. So super simple, very quick, less than 10 minutes this video. That is basically the gist of how it works. You sign up, you pay the fee for the application to become a merchant, then you establish the parameters for your actual program, you establish that percentage of commission you want to pay, and then you let it go. And from there, all the affiliates will be notified. They can see that if they're interested in anything food related. And by the way, I could show you something that's really interesting. ShareASale, let me log in here really quick. ShareASale has a ton of categories, okay? There we go. All right, so these are the categories here. And here it's mind-blowing how many, let me show you this, how many food and beverage ones. So you go over to the categories, you click on this, look at this right here. Food and drink have 434. They're one of the highest categories actually on ShareASale are food and drink products or food and drink services, with 434 merchants signed up in just that category alone. And of course, there's a few that are much bigger, such as clothing and a couple others. But at the end of the day, you've got a category that is very hot. There's a ton of people who love, a lot of affiliate marketers love food and drink because it's something that's hugely popular and we all obviously drink and eat. But when it comes to lifestyle products, there's a lot of them that have health foods. There's a lot of them that do hot sauces and specialty sauces for gourmet food categories. And it just goes on and on and on. So if you've got a food product, give ShareASale a shot and try it out, or at least check out the link down below and learn more about it yourself. Whatever I give you from this video is great information, but always check this stuff out for yourself. And then see if it's something that you can definitely fit into your budget and get the ball rolling and having affiliate marketers promote your food product through their own sources and outlets. So if that was an interesting concept and it opened up your eyes, please do give me a big thumb up. If you have any questions about how affiliate marketing can work for your business, not as an affiliate marketer yourself, let me know down below. I'll do a separate video to show you exactly what I do. We have 128, just on ShareASale, 128 companies that we are associated with in some shape or form in the food business and food industry that we promote through Marketing Food. So it generates a lot of other passive income for us, but of course we have to create that content through blogs and videos. So let me know and I'll see you guys on our next video. Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the Cottage Food Law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.